EIDL, Economic Injury Disaster Loan. I've applied for my disaster loan, now what? When I do hear from a caseworker, what are they going to want? Based on the original format of the EIDL, Economic Injury Disaster Loan application, we think they will request the following 5 forms.
The case manager will help to determine the amount of the initial grant to which you are entitled. It will be up to $10,000 depending on the number of employees you have. That amount will be deducted from your EIDL loan.
SBA Form 5, General SBA Loan Application. This form is very straightforward and should be easy to fill out. Just make sure that you account for every owner or equity partner that has a 20% or greater share in your company. SBA Form 1368, Statement of Revenues. We filled in a sample. Note, the prior year's revenues show consistency and growth. These numbers must match up with the previous year's tax returns. The second page shows the anticipated losses between now and July. The second page also contains an explanation that businesses intend to pay certain obligations during the crisis, including some salaries, rent, and insurance that justify the anticipated losses. IRS Form 4506-T, Request for Tax Returns. This form allows the government or a lender to verify your previously filed tax returns. This form should be easy to complete. Make sure you use the same information on your tax return. For example, if you are the sole owner LLC filing under the name John Smith, you must request tax returns under the name John Smith. SBA Form 220-2, Statement of Liabilities. This form is straightforward. It reflects the liabilities of an owner if you are a sole proprietor or own an LLC. It will likely be used to determine if you have assets that could be leveraged to secure an EIDL loan that are not already collateral for someone else. Note, we have been told EIDL loans will not be denied because of insufficient collateral. SBA Form 413, Statement of Personal Finances. This may be the most difficult form to fill out. Notice that it is laid out just like a balance sheet. Choose a date not more than 60 days past. Make sure that entries are accurate as of that date. Be careful the numbers match in the explanation section below exactly. For example, the market value of the primary residence is the same in both places, $350,000. Note, the assets equal liabilities plus net worth. These forms contain most, if not all, of the information you are going to need. If you are uncertain of the value on any of these forms, seek assistance from your accountant or other professionals. Inaccurate entries or math errors could slow down the funding of your loan.